Hello, this is Laz Alonso, and I play Mother's Milk on the Amazon Prime hit TV series, The Boys. And I want to give a quick shout out to Yakutia. Hello, Yakutia. And the Yakutian people, specifically, the Cinema Club Kinomnam. And because I'm talking to the Cinema Club Kinomnam, it's a great name, by the way, Kinomnam. It's just so fun to say. I just want to say it again. Kinomnam, 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 Kinomnam. I want to ask you a question. All right? Who can list the names of all the soups in the 7? All right? Who can list the names of all the soups in the 7? And I have a bonus question. Can you name 2 soups in addition to the ones in the 7 now from before? All right? See you season 3. We're filming it right now. It's going to be a good one. Peace.